What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use gestures and change what gestures you have equipped in Dark Souls 3. As you can see, I have the laying down gesture equipped here. I'm just chilling on the edge of this cliff here. But if I move, it'll cancel the gesture. So how do you use them? You're going to want to press, instead of start on your controller, press select. So that'll open up your gestures. But if you're unsure of what the key binding is or whatever you're using, you can always go to key bindings in your settings here, and eventually you will see where gesture is. I believe here it is, open gesture menu. So it can be G on your keyboard, it's the select button on my controller, but whatever it is listed here is what it's going to be to open it for you. So I'm playing on PC obviously, but I have my Xbox controller plugged in, so I got the select button. So I have my gesture menu open here, and it'll show you these kind of lame ones by default. So if you ever want to swap one of these out, you can press Y and you'll see all the ones you've collected in your journey. So there's been quite a few. These are items that you just pick up like after killing a boss or, you know, talking to an NPC. But so I got the prayer gesture on, so if I want to use it, again you press select, then you press A, and now I'm doing the gesture. So just to show you guys where these are in your inventory, I don't think you can see them anywhere else besides that menu. I'm just verifying really quick. Yeah, this is armor, these are rings. Yeah, I don't think you can see those in your inventory actually, so you probably just will only be able to see them there in that menu. So yeah. If you ever want to see what gestures you have to go to the gesture menu, press Y to switch, and yeah, you can just see which ones you got. Yeah, pretty much. So I'm using it. That's how you use it. Simple video, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.